So this should be a short little talk about Einstein's relativity being wrong and how is it played out in the literature. Every now and again there will be headlines that Einstein is wrong. That gets swamped by other headlines saying Einstein is right. So let's look at one headline of Einstein wrong. This is from the Express and it's 2021 and it says Einstein was wrong. Physicists rallied against the most shocking discovery in physics. The article says the conundrum, that's what it's referring to as observations at the time, has led some to consider the possibility Einstein may have been wrong all along. And I have a better article which I'll now go to. So this article says new evidence about the universe suggests Einstein was wrong. We may have uncovered something really fundamental about the fabric of the universe. So based on astronomical observation, Einstein and his relativity might be wrong. So let's go through this article. The article says, according to a new detailed map of dark matter, the universe may be smoother and more spread out than theories have previously predicted. The BBC reports the survey, which covered about a quarter of the southern hemisphere sky, may serve to undermine Einstein's theory of general relativity and could potentially force us to alter understanding of the cosmos. That would supposedly be a revolution in physics based upon empirical evidence. The article goes on pointing out that Einstein may be wrong, and then it says you might think that this is a bad thing, that maybe physics is broken, but to a physicist it is extremely exciting. It means that we can find out something new about the way the universe really is, and it would be exciting because it would be a revolution in physics. The article carries on. Scientists believe dark matter makes up around 80% of the stuff found in the universe. So this is just really saying what the issue is. The article carries on. It says the new map created by an international team of researchers at the Dark Energy Survey Collaboration is the largest and most detailed of its kind to date. Then the article gets on to say the resulting map shows that galaxies make up much larger superstructures. The brightest areas are the densest areas of dark matter made up of superclusters of galaxies, and so forth. And Jeffries thinks it's an exciting new moment in our understanding of the universe. And it says, using theories set forth by Einstein, astronomers have been able to predict how matter has spread over the 13.8 billion years of the universe, starting shortly after the Big Bang. And I've dealt with the Big Bang in another video, but taking it as approximately true in this video. Those predictions, however, are a few percent off from the new observations made by the Dark Energy Survey. And when it says predictions, that's predictions from Einstein's relativity. So it's saying that what relativity predicts doesn't match with these observations. Article carries on to say, we may have uncovered something really fundamental about the fabric of the universe. And the person is Carlos, who's a professor at Durham University who worked on current cosmological theories, told the British broadcaster. With Einstein's theories building the groundwork, Carlos helped to determine the spread of matter in the universe. The new map did come as a bit of a surprise. And he says, I spent my life working on this theory and my heart tells me I don't want to see it collapse. And so that's a bit of a prejudice there, probably. He doesn't want to see that he's wasting his life on believing something that is wrong. So he then goes on to say, the big question is whether Einstein's theory is perfect, and he doesn't really want to dismiss Einstein's theory. And not wanting to dismiss Einstein's theory, he wants to hold on to it as long as possible. Finally, it says it seems to pass every test, that's Einstein's relativity, but with some deviations here and there. Maybe the astrophysics of the galaxies just needs some tweaks. Now, the deviations, which you mentioned earlier, mean the theory is wrong, it makes wrong predictions. But the tweaks means you want to add something extra to the theory or change it a bit so it can save the theory, i.e. move the goalposts. So he's very reluctant to accept Einstein's relativity is wrong. There will be some headline pointing out it doesn't work, followed by someone tweak to it to make it fit, and then a next headline saying it's right. So that's basically what's going on. Somebody would say Einstein's relativity, and hence Einstein's wrong, and somebody else would tweak it, and then they'd say Einstein's relativity is right. And this sort of thing is just going on all the time, moving the goalposts.